So listen to this. I have a friend of mine, and until today, he hasn't created any ChatGPT or Claude accounts. Not because he can't afford it. ChatGPT is basically free for 1 year, right? But still, he didn't take it. His reason? Pure skepticism. He genuinely believes that AI is actually stealing our data, storing it, and training on it. And his other famous theories include when something is free, you are the product. Now, here's the thing. Some of his opinions are actually valid, and some of them are just plain poppycock. If AI wanted to store every conversation from every user on the planet, it would need an Earth-sized supercomputer and a Jupiter-sized hard drive. But I understand his feeling, and I know that a lot of people are still uncomfortable with using AI. And I actually respect that. So this video is for them. How to actually use AI without giving away your data. So let's start with the biggest data generators of our daily life. The phones. Phones are the biggest data generators in our daily life. And if you are skeptical about it, this is the most privacy-friendly AI phone you can carry right now. The Samsung S25 Ultra. So with this phone, all you need to do is go to Settings, tap on Galaxy AI, and right at the bottom, you'll find something called Process Data Only on Device. Turn that feature on. So what this feature does is very simple. When you turn it on, everything stays inside your phone. Your calls, messages, emails, photo edits, none of it reaches to Samsung servers. Not even Samsung has access to it when you turn it on. Now get this. Some Galaxy AI features may stop working when you enable this mode. And yes, I think that's a trade-off. But if privacy matters more than the features, then this is your setting. So with the first problem solved, now comes the second problem. No matter how skeptical you are, AI has become impossible to avoid. Even Google after 2023 is running on AI. You are probably using it every day without even realizing it. So get this. If you don't want to use ChatGPT or Claude, you don't have to use them. Google's AI overview is already answering your questions and it is using AI. No signups, no accounts, no subscriptions are needed for this. All you need to do is just ask Google a question and it will answer that immediately by using AI. But if you want something more personal, something that runs completely offline with zero data leaving your device, there's an app for you. And that is called Edge Gallery. It is actually created by Google itself. So this app will let you download AI models directly onto your phone. So once downloaded, you can go fully offline with this. No internet needed, no data sharing, no servers. You can talk to AI completely on your terms. So that's the 3 levels of privacy-friendly AI for you. Google Search for quick answers, Samsung's on-device data processing, and the Edge Gallery app. By using these, you can use AI without giving away a single trace of your data to their servers. And if you have a friend like mine, send this video to them. They won't believe you at first, but at least we tried, right? So if this kind of honest, nonsense tech content is what you are looking for, subscribe to my channel.